Lahanin lang natin is God is love. When you make love the center of your married life, you think and act with love as your guiding life principle, force, and motivation. You stay positive in your attitudes, thoughts, speech, and actions in all circumstances to express unwavering belief and trust in God's wisdom, goodness, and mercy. In the hands of God, each of us, or we all, are works in progress. Nobody is perfect. Yun po yan. Nobody is perfect. Still, we are all called upon to rise over our imperfections, limitations, inadequacies. How do we do that? Well, we manifest love by being honest, sincere, and transparent in our conduct and language, by being patient and kind with one another, bearing with the faults, weaknesses, and failures of the other, not keeping a record of wrongs, and instead trying to understand, to excuse and forgive. Choose love when you brush aside jealousy, pride, deceitfulness, duplicity, and selfishness. In short, you think and act to promote peace and harmony rather than discord and dispute. Only love can give you peace and fill all your needs. Only with love can you get really inspired and empowered to rise to tall heights, to realize your full potential with unfettered creativity, to experience joy and happiness. Putting it in the negative, when you refrain from hurting one another in words or actions in any way, you promote life, peace, and love. You avoid sin at all costs. You avoid cutting yourselves off from the lifeblood or sap of divine grace of the real vine, Jesus. You reject anger, hatred, or death. Then we shall prosper and not rise.